In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate the ICT Silver Bullet in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning, understanding how to apply the right tools on Tradingview can significantly enhance your trading strategy. So, let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to activate this powerful tool. First, you'll need to go to Tradingview. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the web address tradingview.com. Once there, you'll land on the home page. If you haven't created an account on TradingView yet, I highly recommend doing so to make the most out of the platform's features. If you are returning for additional trading insights, simply log in and head towards the next step. Now that you're on TradingView, the next thing you need to locate is the Indicators button. This button is crucial because it allows you to access various analytical tools that TradingView offers, and it's typically found at the top or side of your chart interface. Click on it and you'll notice a search bar appearing, along with a list full of different indicators. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it holds numerous resources for your trading. In this search bar, type in ICT Silver Bullet. As you type, suggestions will appear below the search bar. You're looking specifically for the ICT Silver Bullet indicator, which focuses on providing precise market analysis aimed at empowering your trading decisions. As you start typing, it should quickly pop up among the top suggestions. Once you find ICT Silver Bullet in the list, the next step is straightforward. Click on it to activate the indicator. By selecting it, the ICT Silver Bullet will be applied to your active chart. With this, you can see how effortlessly it integrates into your overall analysis toolkit. It offers a unique set of data that enhances your market insight in real time, contributing to better decision making. And there you have it, a straightforward way to activate the ICT Silver Bullet on TradingView. Taking the time to explore the features presented by the indicator can significantly boost your trading analysis. Remember, the key to successful trading is not just in setting up tools like these, but in understanding how they can be leveraged best to suit your individual strategies and goals. Take advantage of TradingView's demo trading options to test this indicator in different market conditions and see how it complements your trading style. I hope you found this walkthrough useful and empowering. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials that can help sharpen your trading skills. Happy trading!